Oh, it led me in. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm on Ottawa On-Road RC Racing for the first race of the season. It is November 2nd right now, and we're going out in the AMAIN and stock sedan. This is my Mugen MTC2R. Now one below current because they just came out with an MTC3, although I'm not too excited about the MTC3. I'm going to keep rocking my MTC2R with my reliability mods that I put on it, which is mostly going to longer and stronger front grub screws on the bottom of all the hubs, top and bottom of all hubs on all four sides. Really strengthens it up nice, but you got to be really careful with that so it doesn't interfere with the axle. Also, I have replaced my other broken parts from last year, which was the front bearing carried axles tend to blow that little E-clip that's in there, and then the bearing comes out, and then it's possible for the pin to rotate and then jam against the hub. So anyway, that has been fixed. And no other real change to this car other than just some repairability things and a new body. This is the J Concepts A1R in a Tamiya metallic red to white fade. Let's see how we do in this sedan AMAIN. All right, I'm very happy to say I'm starting P3 in the AMAIN behind these two, which is first and second, Jake and Mark, very fast drivers. I'm probably going to stay in third, but we'll see if we can hold on to any kind of close to their pace.
Let's do it.
Good luck, guys. You stay on track, you can beat me.
I won't try that.
I want you to fly off, but
Man, twice.
I know. Yeah, Mark's been having a hard time staying rubber side down today, but he still out qualified me when he. Whoa, what's that? Oh, I'm on the wrong model. Hold on. Sorry, I'm hazard. Whew, that was close. All right, I was on the wrong model. Okay, here we go. Sedan. This is the Mugen MTC2R. I believe that Mark has an automatic, or sorry, Jake has an automatics, Mark has a Schumacher, I have a Mugen, and Dean has an old X-Ray. So every car is a different brand here. We'll see.
No, Mark is an automatic.
Are you an automatics now too? Okay. I just assumed you were Schumacher, but okay, two automatics, a Mugen, and an old X-Ray.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. So we're just looking for Logan.
Oh, and Clint's here too. Clint's here with his Express in the bright orange.
All right. Everyone's happy with that space?
Forgot about Clint. Okay.
All right. Marshall's ready.
We got the R's.
Driver's ready.
Yeah.
The RR.
We're racing up
Right.
down to the tone in less than 5.
Oh, false start.
Nice clean start. No
All
big
allowed.
opening smashes. Whew, that was close.
That was.
Sweet JK Clint. And Dean right at the back says, I'm not letting you guys get away. Oh. But then he says, watch this. Oh my dear.
Whoa, look at that corner.
Oh my God.
Jake and Mark trying to sneak away. JK and Clint having a battle with themselves. JK makes a fumble. That allows Clint within half a corner now. Breathing down his neck. Loving that new orange, Clint. That looks great. Oh, Mark makes a mistake. And that's going to allow JK and Clint.
Oh, I couldn't see.
JK makes a
Oh, I had a blind spot.
And why he's not by Mark now, does allow Clint
Darn.
to go into the 2 spot, makes a fumble, and Mark's right on his ass.
I lost 2 spots on that. See if I can get them back.
Breathing down his neck,
Whoa.
just looking for a spot. Don't give it to him, Clint, make him earn it.
The top driver for Jake with a 34-lap 501.48. The 32-lap
And that's going to allow JK to sneak back up to him as well.
501.7 pace. John Fisk with a 32-lap
Dean's not going away.
3.4 pace. With a 31-lap 517 pace.
pulling away on me.
Closest battle right now between Clint and Mark. Mark closes the gap on the sweeper, loses it in the midsection. They head down the straight. He's going to look for a spot. Can't find it. Oh, he goes inside and he gets by him. Clint says it may be better for me to chase right now. As JK now creeps up on him. He's going to get blue flagged by
Oh,
right there. He doesn't need to. Blue flag himself. Oh, Clint makes the bobble. Not going to let JK even closer. But he's not going to let him by just so easy. He needs to catch up himself. Oh, thanks to a small bobble, so he lets him by. Again, JK closes the gap just a bit. Mark's starting to sneak away in seconds. Diener holding on.
With a 33 lap 504.8 pace. Clint with a 33 lap 509.1 pace. John Hitt with a 32 lap 501.6 pace. Dean with a 31 lap.
oh, it led me in.
The same corner. They head down the straight a little bit more than a minute and a half to go.
Ah,
JK bobbles. Has to regain momentum again. Blake trying to hold on to that top 3 spot. Stay on podium. Oh no! Mark makes another mistake. No marshal directly there. That's going to allow Clint and
oh,
get spun up.
fuck.
And that's going to allow Clint
It's over now.
almost a lap ahead now.